Hello, we're in Cocopark, Shenzhen. We're up on the top, and you can see all these tall buildings all around us. Actually, you can also see all the restaurants all around us too. So we're basically surrounded by tall buildings on the exterior, which is the CBD, city center, and then you got all the restaurants that are all the way around us, and then we're enclosed by all of these. So down here we have layers and layers of restaurants. And I heard there's also bars and restaurants and clubs. So what we're gonna do is kind of walk through it and kind of go through, spiral all the way down, and then we'll look back up again. And we'll look up to that again. And we'll look at it from down there when we finish here. Well, if you want to come with me, you're gonna have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Yeah, we got the lighting, it's just right. Just about perfect. So we're gonna walk around a little bit. And I'm gonna see how far I can get on each layer. And then we're gonna go down a layer. And also gonna just kind of try to get a feeling for what is at each one. Dong Dong Korean restaurant, okay. And then inside we have more mall. So I'll just kind of poke the camera in. I'm sure I'll get lots of other spots to check that out, but you can see that that's all actually a mall with more restaurants, of course. And then you got apartment buildings on the other side as well. That's interesting, of course. So imagine living in those apartments over there. And you can just look into Cocopark. Got a bar right here. I think you can kind of hang out and get some food, drinks. Okay. Of course I'm tempted to go down. Let me just check everything out. So up here it says night market, trendy clothing. Okay. All right. Well, I'm pretty sure there's also supposed to be like some. I think there's supposed to be bars and clubs, but there's there's another COCO across the street too. So I don't know if there's one where they drink, or if that's this one. Chef's Tab. Well, they definitely got alcohol here, so. Huh. It's like kind of like a Hong Kong style. Okay, so we're gonna walk further down, and it's also important to look up. Huh. Well, let's just get this angle. I think the best way to go down, I think, is going to be that one right there. And those are all of these. It's pretty cool though. Okay. So I guess the best thing that we can do, we've got all those waiting chairs so you can wait. I think later it's going to be, I can feel it already, I can feel it's going to be very, very crowded. Right now it's a Monday, just by the way. It's a Monday, it's a holiday in Hong Kong and Macau. And I don't know if it's a holiday in here as well. It doesn't feel like a holiday. So we're gonna go down, just try to get a feel for all of that. So you can actually, there's some nice places to walk over there as well. Oh, you got like a little bit of a blurry Cocopark right there. That blurriness kind of implies the drinking environment. mall would be in that side, in there. So we are going to navigate. You just see here. Yeah, once we get on that side, we'll have a different view again, right? So I think what I'm going to try to do is walk towards this Burger King and then around that loop, and then the angles will change a little bit, and then you can see it from a different angle. Kind of interesting though. I bet this place is this crazy on weekend. Cannot even imagine. And I did get the impression that it stays open late at night. So now we're coming out over here, and then you got these views from this side. And you can see that one building that's that super tall building. That looks kind of cool. Now you can have the pretty good view of this side. I'm just gonna walk along this way. And then it looks like we have a little bit of a, this is like for photographers, for people that want to get a good picture, want to get a good view, take it all in. This is the spot that you go to right here. We're on it. Whoa. Whoa. That's kind of cool. So it looks pretty interesting. So we're going to come over this way. Looks like there's lots of different angles we could go. There's the moon up there. And I think I want to keep laying down like a onion, I guess. So I think what I'll do is I'll just take these steps and we'll go down and see where they go. Taco Bell right there. Yeah, actually no, that Taco Bell goes to street level because I was on street level earlier today. I filmed a video on Taco Bell right over there. There's Shake Shack. Yeah, you know what I did earlier today is I came off the train, so I came off right over here where this over here is the oh, there's Lulu Moon. I had Genki Sushi earlier today too. I had Taco Bell, Genki Sushi, and I had a Vietnamese pho. A little ring right there. So yeah, right over there is the entrance. It's called Shopping Park for the entrance. Then this one goes out to the street. It's over there near the Taco Bell. So I don't know. And there's our tall building. I did kind of promise you I was going to go all the way down to the bottom, didn't I? But we also want to capture, I also want to capture people. So we're going to try to capture people. It's going to come down this way. Got all these restaurants. Now we have that nice view like that. Okay. So I guess the best thing that we can do now is we're just going to move the camera slowly and then go over towards that elevator over there, and then we'll complete our promise. Bring it all the way down and look all the way back up. Okay. We're gonna go down this way. Yeah, you do have lots of these. Here's a Neapolitan pizza place. Haagen-Dazs. Okay, let me just see here. More stuff over this way. Beauty. See some people way up there as well. And I think this goes all the way up to the street. So you can actually go right there, and then you can see all the cars all the way down as well. And there's ice cream, different stuff as well. So let's go down this way. Okay, so this is our last stretch. Oh, and they got some boxing down here. Let's just kind of come over here to the boxing. Oh, okay. Okay. So we just kind of take a look at it. Just kind of fade this way. We're going to come over this way. And we're going to come right into the middle part over here. And now we can kind of capture the feeling from back here. There's Shake Shack, KTV even. Taco Bell is up that way. So yeah, that's Cocopark. Got a full moon or a half a moon there. Looks nice. Let me just kind of end on this tall building right here. So we got all the way to the bottom, and we're gonna look up, and we're gonna see if we can get all the way to the other side. Okay. So we're gonna end it right there for Cocopark. Well, if you want to come with me, you're gonna have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Toma cuidado, la